WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, but have you ever heard of WhatsApp Plus? This modified version promises extra features that the official app doesn't offer. But is it worth the risk? Let's find out. Features: custom themes, hide online status, auto-reply, bigger media limits, dual accounts. The risks: no end-to-end encryption. Possible malware risks: your account could be banned. No official support. More features, but bigger risks. Use at your own risk. Would you try it? Let us know in the comments. What do you think about WhatsApp Plus? Have you used it before? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos and don't forget to like, comment, and share.